EKSO stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Is the question. So I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Observing IXO Bionics Holdings, crazy name, but it's 5.4% up. We're gonna look at it from a weekly chart. Not that special. I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course mentions, documented everything. The reason why I said it's not that special is because it's still inside this bearish range. I mean, even weekly chart, looking at it, it's coming up from here. So I'm seeing like these breaks here. Got the lows as well. And now we're here. Now, like when we're here, I'm not gonna like instantly short more, so I still want to see those double breaks, but it's only really going to be after that double break that I can short. Without that double break, I really would not care. So that's how EKSO looks like. It's not financial advice. If you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.